What's going on, guys? It's me, Mikey fucking Pipes. And just got to the shop. By the way, TGIF, ladies and gentlemen. TGIF. Hope you guys all have an amazing, epic weekend. Spend some time with your family, your loved ones, your friends, your neighbors. And remember to make moves together. And together, let's make the trades great again. I want to give a special shout out to the 19,930 subscribers to the Mikey Pipes YouTube channel. I really fucking appreciate it. If this channel had that, I think I'll be blown away. But we're about to hit a crazy milestone. Look at this. We have 12,999,048 channel views. That's pretty epic. Since I started this channel in 2012, I posted 1,118 times. And did that just go up or down? I don't know. Oh, damn, I just lost two fucking subscribers. What the fuck? Where's the love? Show me the love. But anyway, I just wanted to create a quick little video and thank all of you for all of your support on the main channel, the Mikey Pipes Pipe Doctor channel, this uncensored channel. But I want to give special attention. I guys really want, if you haven't done so already, I want you to check out the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy YouTube channel. Today was scheduled our first giving back to the community service call. In case you guys haven't heard about it already, when my main channel hit 100,000 subscribers, I decided to do something incredible. Yes, I could talk all these methods on how to run a successful service call, how to clean up after yourselves, how to engage and interact and develop relationships with your clients, your customers, the people you deal with. Basically like Dale Carnegie says in his book, how to win friends and influence people. But most importantly, I wanted to really be a step above everyone else. And I started the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy YouTube channel where all ad revenue is going to be sent to a charity that I set up. It's a 504 or whatever it is, C3 charity registered with the IRS. That way, if you want to make a tax-deductible donation, whether you're, a general, Jose or Juan, whatever your name is, or John Doe, any normal citizen can make a donation to the cause, and it's a tax-deductible donation. If you're a manufacturer, yes, you should just be fun, just hooking up for the cause, but it will be a tax deduction. So I created this service where I really believe that if you don't have the fucking money because you're down on your luck, or you have a disability or an injury, or you're unemployed and you're going to lose your home, and you're concerned about, do I pay the plumber or do I pay my mortgage? Do I pay the plumber or do I pay my astronomical property taxes? If you're really in a bind financially and you can't afford to have the basic necessities, which I believe are plumbing and heating, functional plumbing and heating in your home, then I am starting this charity for you, right? So today was going to be the first service call of that, where there's absolutely no charge whatsoever, absolutely nothing whatsoever. It's 100% given to the people by me and the organization I set up. And unfortunately, he called the day before yesterday and let us know that his whole house, his whole family has COVID. That doesn't stop me. I really don't care. I've had it a whole bunch of times, and I got vaccinated once, and I don't know why I did it, but I know why I did it, because I needed to go to certain things. I need to be able to fly. I need to be able to go here, there, because the tyrants. Well, forget it. Let's not talk about that. But guys, see these little stickers? These are the brand new 20. Oh man, look at that. It replaces my face pretty well. These are the 2023 version 5.0 Mikey Pipes Make Trades Great Again. Guys, you want these stickers? I would appreciate it if you can forget about donating to the Posters Fund, but donate to the cause. I take, if you want to do that, it hasn't really been all fully set up yet, but if you make any donation, I am going to send you a couple stickers, okay, regardless of where you are in the world. Now, granted, my charity is not set up yet. My account is setting it up, and it does take a couple months for the IRS to process all this good stuff. But that's how I want to give back, because it's not every day that I run into, a situation where people really just can't afford to do it. Not really every day, but it does happen. And, you know, a week and a half ago, I got a phone call from this gentleman. He's disabled. He really has nothing. His credit cards are maxed out. And his steam radiator is leaking water. The valve is leaking water. And he sent me some pictures, I believe. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he sent me some pictures. I haven't looked at them yet. But it appears that the valve is shot. He said he used to be quite handy. He used to work as a handyman years ago. But nonetheless, I just wanted to just give you guys an update of what I'm doing. We're almost halfway through February. You know, it's the 10th of February, Friday. Before we know it, summer's going to be here. And, I want to make some moves, guys. I want to make some moves. Yeah, it's all great to be licensed out in South Carolina, studying for the test in Florida. But what good is all this vast empire if there are people out there that genuinely need help? And, I want to make it possible. And, my end game with it, or not end game, where I just want to get started, actually. Imagine maybe in a few years from now, myself and my team, we spend a week or a month in Africa somewhere, some third world country. I'm not, and we're laying pipe. Imagine that. We're building schools and putting the plumbing systems in. That's where I want to go with this. And that's how we're going to make the trades great again. All right, guys. Email me, mike@mikeypipes.com. I'll tell you how to get these. I'll put some info in the description box down below. Just if you do decide to send I want to call it a donation. Yeah, call it a donation, but I can't give you a tax deduction or tax deductible receipt yet. But if you do, I just got these. So if you do make a donation, I'm going to send you a couple stickers, okay? And I'm going to put all the money into a separate account. Again, it hasn't really been set up yet. My accountant is working on it, but next Friday, which is a week from today, which is the 17th of February, we're going on that service call, and you guys are coming with me, and it's going to be posted on the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy YouTube channel. All right, guys. If you're interested, if you're a distributor, a manufacturer, a wholesaler, whether or not you're in the trades or not, and you help me give back to the community, email me, mike@mikeypipes.com. And real quick before I close, you see this wall right here? This is the wall of support. People send me these notes, these Amazon gifts, these cards, letters, handwritten letters, typed notes, right? You want to send me a letter? I'm proudly putting it on this wall, this door. And look, see, it's starting to take over the other wall there. Not here yet, but we're getting there. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in this fucking glorious Friday morning. It is, it's 52 degrees, and it's February 10th. What the fuck is going on? Where's the snow? Where's the snow? There's no snow here. Hold on. I think we might have lost a couple more subscribers. Fuck.